If you guys want to get such water after carpet cleaning and rug cleaning and to get it like this, ready for reuse, please watch this video up to the end. You know that when you clean the rugs with the full immersion method, immersing them previously in the wash tub with the detergent and cleaning on the rug washing machines afterwards, you use a huge amount of water. For example, the high pressure water jet unit in this machine for rinsing uses 12 liters per liter, plus immersion system here 8 liters per minute, so in total it makes 20 liters per minute. And previously using the water in the wash tub, it makes a huge amount of water. And our idea was to find an ecological solution for reusage of the water we use after carpet cleaning. So please follow me and I'll show you what we have for you. We are introducing a sedimentation and filtration tank for water after washing rugs in Protima machines. By setting and filtering, you can reuse up to 30–35% of water, cutting costs and conserving resources. Clean water returns to the washer or soaking tub. Simple, sustainable, effective. Message us and we'll configure it for your operation.
Protima. Zadbamy o Twój biznes.